we will learn structure. Structure is one of the most important concept in programming C. Okay, first I will tell you what is the meaning of structure. Okay, students, do you remember we have studied UDF, user defined function? In UDF we can declare variables, we can write code, we can use loop, we can use if condition. In user defined function we can do whatever we want. Structure is little bit similar to UDF, but in structure we can declare only variables. We cannot write method, we cannot write void main, we cannot use loop, if condition, operators. Okay, we can just declare variables. Then what is the similarity between UDF and structure? UDF was user defined function. Structure, by using structure you can create user defined data type. So UDF, that was UDF, and this is UDD. Okay, now let us go through its definition. A structure is a collection of variable under a single name. What I told you, there will be so many variable declaration. These variables can be of different types and each has a name which is used to select it from the structure. Basically it's a user defined data type. We will create our own data type to store some information. Let me show you the syntax of structure. To create a structure you have to use struct keyword. Struct keyword is used to create a structure. As you can see here, as I have told you just now, in the structure there will be only variable declaration. All the variables in a structure, that is known as members. Member of structure. You can give whatever name you want to give to structure. Here I have given student name. Struct student. Student is my structure, and I have declared three members of structure: name, number and marks. All members are having different data type. This is the syntax. First struct keyword. Struct keyword is compulsory. Then structure name. You can give whatever name you want. Then data type and the variable name. This structure is having three variables. You can create any number of variable. And here, to end a structure, you have to put a semicolon. This is compulsory. This is syntax. Let me show you one example. This is example. Struct student, first member integer, roll number, character name. It's a character array. It's a string. Then character codes. So it contains three members of different data type. If I want to access R number, name and course, I can access it by using student structure. Now how can we access structure member? These three are structure member. How can we access it? That is important. Structure member is accessed by using a dot operator. Dot is an operator. Okay, how can we access? We have to create a structure variable. Students, structure variable and structure member both are different. So you have to create a structure variable. I will show you practically just now how to create a structure variable. Structure variable, then you have to put dot operator, and then you have to put a member name. Say for example, what is the name of our structure? Student. So I will declare a structure variable stud1. Then structure variable dot member name. So what are the members? R number, name, course. Stud is a structure variable. So stud1 dot R number, and then stud1 dot name, stud1 dot course. I want to store some value in these three variable. How can I do that? I can do it like this. Member name, variable name dot member name equal to value. This is a simple example. Let me show you how can we write code of it. Students, there are two methods to initialize a structure. Just have a look at this. The concept will be much clear to you. Struct student. Student is the name of our structure. Struct is the keyword. Here also I am declaring roll number, integer, name and age. Structure over. In the main method, I am initializing variables, 3 variables of structure. First of all, we have to create structure variable C. To initialize members, we have to create a structure variable. Struct student. Struct student is our structure name. S1. S1 is our structure variable. What I have written here, structure variable dot member name. So what is structure variable? S1 is the structure variable, and here it contains 3 members, so we can assign 3 values like this. First value will go to roll number, second will be stored within name, and third will be stored within age. This is method number 1. How can we initialize the value? This is method number 2. Same structure, struct student, 3 members, roll number, name, age. Now we have to create a variable, structure variable. S1 is the structure variable. S1 dot roll number. See what I have written here? By using dot operator, variable and member. S1 dot roll number equal to 101. Then I want to store name. So S1 dot name Ravi. So we can store like this as well. Okay. Because name is a string. See, character array. Name is a character array. So it's a string. To copy the string, we have a function strcpy. I have created a separate video to explain you string function. strcpy is one of the most important string function. There are so many string functions. You can refer that video. I will put the link in the description box. As of now, what you have to study, strcpy will copy Ravi into name, and then age. Age is a number. So S1 dot age. So I am storing 3 values in this 3 number by using structure variable. Let me show you one example in Turbo C. I will take you to Turbo C. Just have a look at this. I have already created a small example. I have included 2 header file. Here there is a structure. Structure contain only 2 variables, integer roll number, character, name. Here in the main method, can you see? This is known as structure variable S. Struct is a keyword. See, whenever we write a keyword, it becomes white color. That is the sign of a keyword. Struct is a keyword. Student is my structure name. I can create any name. Okay, here I can create any name. Right now I have created student. Okay, so student S become my structure variable. Now enter roll number. I can scan. Okay, it is not necessary that you have to assign directly. You can scan it from the user. S dot roll number. User will scan roll number. Then after enter name. S dot name. It's a character array, so I have to use %s. So I can use strcpy. I can use scanf. I want to teach you both the methods, so I am using it. And at the end I am printing it. So to print, same method. To print integer, roll number is integer, so %d. Name is a string, so %s. S dot roll number, S dot name. What is S? S is our structure variable. These are structure member. This is structure variable. Let us execute it. I will put a watch here. For your better understanding, I will show you the output window as well. It will be much clear to you. This is the old output that I have executed previously. Okay, let me just run it. Just pay your attention. This is going to be interesting. Okay, students, so let us execute one by one. Okay, S is our structure variable. Right now it is undefined. Now it will be defined. Okay, can you see S can store two values. One is number, second is a string. Now we are on CLR SCR, so it will clear the old output. Did you see the output is clear now? Now printf, enter roll number. Enter roll number, can you see? Now scanf, now it will ask you to scan roll number. It will take you to the output screen. I will enter roll number 23. Can you see here, students? First value is stored 23 here. Now where is the compiler? Enter name. This message should be there on the output now. Can you see enter name? Now scanf s.name. It will ask you to scan. Right now it is empty. Can you see it is empty? We will scan it. Enter name. I will enter anything. A, B, C, D. Can you see? Now roll number and name both are stored in S. What is S? S is our structure variable. 23 and ABCD. Now we are going to print it. Okay, percentage %d equal to percentage %s. S dot roll number, S dot name. 23 equal to ABCD. Do you understand this, students? And get CH. It will come out of the code. Yeah, so this is very basic example of structure. You just go through this code and you can perform it